Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for English Paper 1. To begin, it is crucial to understand the paper's structure and what examiners are looking for. This paper typically evaluates your ability to comprehend unseen texts and articulate your thoughts effectively in writing. You will encounter various text types, requiring careful analysis. Make sure to read all instructions thoroughly and manage your time, perhaps dedicating about one half to reading and analysis, and the other half to writing your response. Next, let's master text analysis. When faced with an unseen text, read it at least 2 times to grasp its nuances. Actively look for recurring themes, significant literary devices like metaphors or similes, and the author's overall intention. Annotate as you read, marking key phrases and structural shifts. This active engagement helps you formulate a strong, clear thesis statement, which will be the backbone of your analytical response. Now let's focus on structuring your essay effectively. A well-organized response typically includes an introduction, 3 to 5 body paragraphs, and a concise conclusion. Each body paragraph should begin with a clear topic sentence, introducing its main argument. Support these arguments with precise textual evidence, followed by thorough explanations. Remember to maintain a formal, academic tone and employ a rich vocabulary to enhance your overall presentation. Finally, consistent practice and refinement are key to success. Regularly engage with diverse text types and practice writing full essays under timed conditions. Reviewing past examination papers and examiner reports provides invaluable insight into common pitfalls and successful strategies. Actively seek feedback on your writing from teachers or peers. Continuously work on expanding your vocabulary and refining your sentence structure for greater clarity and impact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.